What's going on, you guys? Welcome to the dungeon. Right now, we are going to, I already painted the door. The door was kind of beige, so I painted it semi-gloss white. What I really want to do is paint the sash. I think it's called a sash. And the sad part is I used to work for a window and door company, and I used to know all this stuff, but now I don't remember this stuff no more. So this door is old. This door was actually the original door, but we put a new door into the basement door, and we put this door as the office door. So what I wanted to do is paint these moldings. So in order to do that, you have these caps right here. Cap, you see that? You want to get yourself a screwdriver. You might could get it with your finger. Take the cap off, and there's screws inside of that. Sorry, y'all, look at my back. I can't help that right now. So let me try to put y'all in a better angle. Okay, I'm all done. Just double checking. I got one cap down here. Let's see if I can get my finger back. You just apply a screwdriver. All right, that's done. And I don't know if I put the cap back on. It's effect on inside the house, or really care less if the cap's on now. It's a first. All right, so let's see. Just try to wiggle a little bit. So y'all see that? See that? It's coming off. Actually, got the open over here. So we up. Okay. I'll take this part off right here. All right. So right now I have only one screw in here. I'm just going to gently try to loosen it up. But so that was a gentle move for me. All right. So let's take this top part off. Once I take that off, it should be loose. And there you go. So right now I can paint this without any problems. So that's how you remove your window, or maybe you want to put a new window there. So that's another way, or another reason why you will want to take it off. But here I'm going to show you what it looks like. That's the other side. Just doing this real quick, just to show y'all, in case y'all want to take y'all window out to do something else with the window. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get like a spatula, screwdriver, and just try to go in the grooves a little bit and mess around with it, and then try to take it out from the other side, since the molding is on this side. All right, bring y'all down a little bit so you can see what I'm doing. What I'm doing is just trying to get in the crease, pop it up a little bit, and that's it. That's due to the fact on the paint and the weather for all the years it's been together, but I could actually feel the window coming out. Just want to clean up these sides a little bit. All right, you guys, the top is going to be a little bit challenging. Oh, I guess not. All right, and there you go. I got it off. That is how you take the window out of here. So in case you want to put a different window, or if in case it broke, a kid, maybe a kid in your backyard, they was playing baseball, hit the ball, hit your window, broke your window. Now you wanted to order a new one. Now you know how to take it off. All right. Same thing goes with the one I just got. So right here, see right there, boom, boom. You pop it off, pop it off, pop it off. All of them. Use your screw gun, take the screws out, pop the window out, change the window. Simple as that. All right, just a quick DIY for y'all, so y'all can know how to change out your entry door windows. Like, comment, subscribe. Okay, you guys, so the reason why I'm going to paint it like this is because I don't really feel like putting no force into trying to get this window off. But right now, since I took it all out of the screws, it's easy to move the molding. So we are going to paint it like this. put all the paper up. So this is just a quick tip to show y'all how to paint the molding on your windows. Mommy? Mommy? Why? Just why? I could have been doing something.